Internally displaced persons from Napat village currently staying in various relief camps under Kumbi Assembly constituency appealed to MLA Sanasam Premchandra for their safe return to their original homes. The displaced families met the MLA at his residence at Salan Konjil and shared their grievances of living in relief camps for over 2 years, highlighting their hardships and challenges. MLA Sanasam Premchandra assured that steps for their return will be taken after consultations with higher authorities. He further stated that the center is working to bring a resolution to the ongoing crisis, and some families have already started returning to their homes. He also pledged to complete the Sugnu-Napat bridge and to raise their concerns before relevant authorities for a swift solution. The MLA meanwhile slammed those attempting to politicize the issue for personal or party gain.
Amukan mahusagi Napat juda koi maisa hana ingcing na lairamba koi amanaba bu behar kaina daba piasu lairasu leitrasu ningon dan ni daba aduga ai hingna phona bada koi akun bi sakti lebdo aisu kuningi soidana lamdam du kole bi budo ben dawna san bi bo isino aduga ekoi masen kasu laitaba hayeng photo bi busu yaba pi dasu yaba du ningdon pom daraga magi sen sem daraga lan gi mong do tawro leibduna di safat palaiba Sokot Napat, Sokot Kumbi Kendra Pati Lairi. Makata Honi aduna, boat to boat matam lapan the thing naze, Mayam no Sibire, Mayam no Sibi Tamoido, Matam to do with you, and I know Sick Siri City, boat Katiginate, I made him oibna. I talk to one talk, Parzaki to one talk, but I decision to never in Lori City.